Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In this video I will show you how I make fresh catfish stew. Super delicious catfish stew. Simple fresh catfish stew. It could be eaten with anything, rice, plantain. The choice is yours. Well, keep watching and see how I make this very simple stew but delicious. Let's dive into it. So here is my fresh catfish. It is properly washed to remove all slimy, and then I have kpomo, that is cow skin, to go with. This kpomo is super soft and I love it. It's just very soft. So to season it, I add my seasoning, salt to taste, curry powder, and dry rosemary. I love the taste and the aroma this very one gives to it. Then I just added my fresh pepper, garlic and ginger and onions, and the next thing I do is to take a stick and stir it to combine so that all the spices get to it properly. And after doing this, I will allow it to sit in the refrigerator for at least 40 minutes so that the spices get into it very well. Well, while this is aside, here is my fresh tomatoes. So I have fresh tomatoes, I have onions to blend it with, then I have red bell pepper. I have 4 red bell pepper, and I've the seeds are all removed and properly washed. Then I also have shombo, what we call shombo. Well, all the names of these ingredients will be at the description box down below. Don't forget to check it out. So this is what we call shombo in Nigeria. Then I have 3 half tons of ginger, and then garlic to blend together, and then scotch bonnet pepper. Well, add according to your taste. So at this point I'm going to cut these tomatoes, and the reason I want to cut them open is to make sure there is no warm stalk there. So I will cut all and open it. Keep watching, don't go away. And if this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning. Don't forget to like, comment, share my video to your friends and families, and don't forget to watch the ads. All right. You could do this on a chopping board so you won't cut your hand, everyone. I could not use chopping board. So after opening it, I'm going to be blending it behind the camera. So this is what it looks like after cutting it into 2. So I will blend this behind camera, smooth blending, and after blending on a very clean pot, I will transfer the fresh tomato paste. Is super fresh, everyone, and this is how I make this fresh stew. You notice I did not add red vegetable oil, so I just allow it to sit on fire for 20 minutes, and after that I'll go ahead and add some vegetable oil and seasonings. So I just added curry powder, and then some rosemary and thyme, and then just 1 bell leaf and salt to taste. You do not need too much spice for this. So right now I'm adding my vegetable oil. Use any vegetable oil of your choice, and after doing this I'll just stir to combine and allow to cook for 30 minutes on a medium heat. Keep watching, don't go away, everyone. So after 30 minutes, this is what the stew is looking like. I'll continue to stir this for another 20 minutes. It's a very simple, delicious, fresh catfish stew, and at this point I'll be adding the seasoned catfish, the marinated catfish, and more together. So don't go away, keep watching, and don't forget to share my video to your friends and families, everyone. Okay, so after adding my catfish, I'll take a stirring stick, stir to combine, and then I'll cover this to cook on a medium flame for 30 minutes. You know, catfish does not need much heat to cook, so 30 minutes on a medium flame is super enough for your catfish to be ready. This stew was super delicious, and I said let me share it with you. And the stew can be eaten with rice, yam. It can also be eaten with fresh vegetable like swallow, So keep watching, don't go away. It's a very simple but delicious stew, everyone. Give it a try, you will understand, because you will not understand until you experience it, until you cook it and enjoy it. All right, so after 20 to 30 minutes, this is what our fresh catfish stew is looking like. It's not yet cooked though, so I will allow it to sit again for 2 minutes, and after that it is ready to be served. So I'm stirring it to make sure it's not burning under, so do the same thing too. Stir continuously so it does not burn or the catfish begin to stick on that inside the pot. So after that, stirring it for 2 minutes, the stew is ready, and I'm just dishing it out for you to see how delicious this stew is. Super simple and super delicious stew. You do not need much spices and more stress. So this is it. Our fresh catfish stew is ready. Very simple and yummy. Let me know at the comment section what you think about this stew, and don't forget to share my video to your friends and families, and thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Thanks so much, new subscribers, for your wonderful support always. I really appreciate it. And don't forget to watch the ads. Alright, stay safe, stay connected. See you all in the next video, and bye for now. Yeah, bye for now.